Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And now, today's story titled, From Hobby to Business. Alex's inspiring transformation. Alex had always been passionate about woodworking. From a young age, he spent hours in his grandfather's workshop, crafting small pieces of furniture and learning the art of carpentry. However, as Alex grew older, life took him on a different path. He became an engineer, leaving his woodworking hobby behind. But the spark never fully went out. Years later, after being laid off from his engineering job, Alex found himself at a crossroads. With bills piling up and job opportunities scarce, he felt lost. The idea of turning his woodworking hobby into a business crossed his mind, but doubt quickly set in. Could he really make a living from something he had only ever done as a hobby? The fear of failure loomed large, and Alex hesitated to take the plunge. Yet, deep down, he remembered the joy that woodworking had always brought him. He thought back to the countless hours spent in his grandfather's workshop, where every cut and joint felt like a step toward creating something beautiful. This memory ignited a flicker of hope in him. What if this passion could not only provide for him but also fill his life with purpose? Despite his doubts, Alex decided to give it a try. He started small, making custom furniture pieces for friends and family. The first few months were tough, sales were slow, and Alex often questioned his decision. But with each piece he crafted, he rediscovered his love for woodworking. He sought feedback and experimented with new designs, transforming every setback into an opportunity for growth. Slowly but surely, the spark turned into a flame, and his confidence began to build. Gradually, word began to spread, and more orders came in. One day, Alex received an invitation to showcase his work at a local craft fair. Though nervous, he accepted. To his surprise, his booth was a hit. People loved his unique designs, and he sold out of nearly everything he had brought. This success was the turning point for Alex. He realized that his passion and skill were valuable, and that his doubts had been holding him back. Today, Alex runs a thriving woodworking business. His pieces are in high demand, and he even teaches workshops to others interested in the craft. The once dominant voice of doubt has transformed into a source of motivation, reminding him of the importance of persistence and the joy that comes from following one's passion. With each class he teaches, he inspires others to embrace their creativity and chase their dreams. The doubts that once plagued him have been replaced with confidence and a deep sense of fulfillment. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. Doubt can be a powerful force, but it doesn't have to control your destiny. Like Alex, you may have a passion or a dream that seems out of reach because of the doubts swirling in your mind. But remember this: the only way to know if you can succeed is to try. Don't let doubt be the reason you hold back. Instead, use it as a motivator to push forward. Every time doubt whispers in your ear, counter it with the belief that you have something valuable to offer the world. Your dreams deserve a chance to flourish, and each step you take, no matter how small, is a step toward making them a reality. If there's something you've been dreaming of doing, don't let doubt stop you. Start small, learn from each step, and watch as your confidence grows with every success. Remember, the journey may have its challenges, but the rewards of pursuing your passion far outweigh the fear of failure. Doubt may try to hold you back, but it can't stand against the power of persistence and belief in yourself. I hope you are inspired by today's story, and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Shalom. You will succeed.